Let me tell you a little bit more about this weBoost signal amplifier. Now this weBoost amplifier in my hand over here adds a maximum of 50 dBs of gain, and it covers the 2G, 3G and 4G LTE bands. And it covers all South African networks as well as the African continent, as long as it's within that frequency range, which most of them across Africa are. As for the Bolton blade antenna over here, this adds an additional 4.4 decibels of gain, so let's see how well this really works. Over here we've got a test to show you the cell phone signal strength. So with this app it reads your cell phone signal, so you can see there we are currently at minus 104 dB, we are in the yellow range, and at the top there we've got 2 bar of cell phone reception. So we'll go on and switch on the weBoost signal amplifier to amplify the signal, and ignore this bottom graph, we have nothing to do with this, but as you can see it's already starting to climb there. We are now at minus 96 dB in the green, so it'll slowly start climbing until it gets its peak. And at the top there, at the reception, we are now in 3 bars of signal, and we already gained 10 dBs of signal. I've had this device in my vehicle for a while now, and it works really well. Remote places, small towns, just places with just does not have enough signal to get work done, just amplifies it enough. Now do remember, you do need signal in order for it to amplify the signal, but if you are traveling a lot, in your car a lot, do remote work, I would highly recommend this device. Like I said, it just helps you get that bit more boost in signal so that you're able to, or reception, so that you're able to download, upload, receive and send messages, just get your work done while you are out in the middle of nowhere.